Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Physics Easily. So today's topic is propagation of errors. So two topics we are going to see in this video. First one is error in the sum of two quantities. Okay, for this I am considering delta A and delta B. So this delta A and delta B represents absolute error. So next step is I am going to calculate measured value of A. So measured value of A is equal to A plus or minus delta A. So why I am writing this A plus or minus delta A is error can be positive or negative. So both the errors are there, positive error and negative error. So I am writing the measured value of A as A plus or minus delta A. Same way for B, because for two quantities I am assuming. So next one is measured value of B. So measured value of B is B plus or minus delta B. Our topic is sum. So I am just going to add Z is equal to A plus B. So I am going to find out what is the error in the final result. So the final result is Z. Z is equal to A plus B. Same way how we are writing for A and B, I am going to write for Z. So measured value of Z is Z plus or minus delta Z is equal to, substitute these two equations here. A value is A plus or minus delta A plus B plus or minus delta B. So I am going to rearrange this equation. Z plus or minus delta Z is equal to, just separate and write A, B terms and error terms. That is, error term is delta A, delta B. I am just going to rearrange this. So club these two terms, A plus B. So next two terms is plus or minus delta A plus or minus delta B. Plus or minus is common. So plus or minus delta A plus delta B. So Z plus or minus delta Z is equal to, from this equation A plus B is equal to Z. So here I am having A plus B. So A plus B can be written as Z. Z plus or minus delta A plus delta B. Z and Z get cancelled. So remaining terms, plus or minus delta Z is equal to plus or minus delta A plus delta B. Plus or minus and plus or minus also get cancelled. So the final equation is delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. So I can say this in words. Delta Z is nothing but error. So the error in the sum of two quantities, we are adding these two quantities, right? So delta Z is the error in the sum of two quantities is equal to sum of absolute error of individual quantities, because delta A and delta B is absolute error. So is equal to sum of absolute errors in individual quantities. Same way we are going to see for subtraction, that is difference. Okay, error in the difference of two quantities. Error in the difference of two quantities. So which is exactly similar to addition. So what is the first step we consider? Delta A and delta B are absolute errors. Same way delta A and delta B represents absolute errors. What is the next step in addition? Measured value of A, measured value of B. Same way here also I am going to take measured value of A. So measured value of A is A plus or minus delta A. Same way measured value of B. So measured value of B is b plus or minus delta b. So in the previous case it is addition, so plus symbol is here, but here I am going to subtract. So z is equal to a minus b. Calculate the error in z. So same way how we write for a and b, you have to write for z. So z plus or minus delta z is equal to a measured value is a plus or minus delta a. Here minus symbol is there, so minus b value is b plus or minus delta b. Z plus or minus delta z is equal to, take this negative sign inside the bracket, so a plus or minus delta a minus b. So minus into plus or minus, once again minus into minus it is plus, right? Plus into minus it is minus. So either way once again the same term will come, that is plus or minus. So minus into plus or minus, once again I am writing this as plus or minus into delta b. So z plus or minus delta z, club these two terms and write a minus b. So in these two terms plus or minus is common, so plus or minus delta a plus delta b. So same way how we substitute, there in addition, for subtraction also same process, a minus b. So a minus b is z. So z plus or minus delta z is equal to a minus b is nothing but z plus or minus delta a plus delta b. Z and z get cancelled. So plus or minus delta z is equal to plus or minus delta a plus delta b. Once again plus or minus get cancelled. So delta z is equal to delta a plus delta b. So this is my final equation. So what is delta z? Error. So error in the difference of two quantities is equal to, plus means addition, so is equal to sum of delta a and delta b are absolute errors, so is equal to sum of absolute errors of individual quantities. Okay, so in next video we will be seeing error in the product and division of two quantities. Okay, thank you for watching this video.